How you doing, guys? Chris here. Have you been thinking about getting into the drone industry, doing mapping or aerial inspections? Well, the drone industry's changing. Now we're talking about drone delivery, and there's a new forefront coming. Companies like USPS, UPS, Amazon, and even Walmart are coming up with drone delivery jobs. This is the way of the future, and I'm ready to get on board. I've been looking into the drone industry. After doing a quick Google search, I found multiple listings for drone pilots, from videographers to payload specialists to UAV drone pilots. And you can get your foot in the door by delivering pizza for Domino's, but I don't recommend that. But USPS, FedEx, Amazon, this is the way of the future. They are everywhere. So if you're tired of playing around with drones and you want to get into the real drone industry, maybe it's time you go get your 107 license. You can work off somebody else's Part 107, but it's better if you get your own. So this is my recommendation. Start studying, look for the jobs that are in your area, and get on board. I've attached a link to the CAA's and the FAA's drone certification page, just in case you're interested. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.